To send a video through an email is pretty simple. On your email app, continue to click on the compose icon. Then on this interface, you can specify the recipient email address in the subject. So when it comes to the compose email, continue to click on this attach icon on the top right corner. After that, make sure to click on attach. Then with this selected, it will pull out the list of files we have on our device, which can be videos, pictures, and documents. If you are struggling to locate your video among this pool of options, just navigate to the top tabs and click on videos. This will make sure it's only videos that is selected. Then after that, you can scroll down a bit and locate any of the video that you want to attach it to your email. In this case, let's assume you want to select this one, then continue to click on it, and that's it. The video has automatically attached to your email. So after you have filled out these empty spaces, continue to click on send, and that's it. You have successfully sent your videos to an email. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.